Okay, so here it is. This is my laser projector that I had no idea would be a laser projector because I had no idea when I created it as a slide holder last night for my laser cut design of the Maui Heartwave mandala that it would respond in the way that it does to a laser. Now, let me show you exactly what I mean. Green laser is on. Watch what happens. Whoa! Look at that projection. And it turns out the angle makes a difference, and how close you are makes a difference, and you can project it the other way. Look at that. That's light bouncing off the wall is illuminating this screen. And lo and behold, look what happens. It's totally amazing. I had no idea I would be inventing a projector. It's a laser projector. And all it is a flat surface of clear, transparent, translucent, if you will, plastic. And it's distributing evenly the collated light and creating this image. Wow. And the closer it is to the wall, the sharper it is. And if it bounces off the wall, the light, then the projection goes the other way. And you can see that it's actually on the screen of my 3D printed piece. Wow. Either way. Project forward or project back. That's radical.